So in my personal opinion, because I've been through so much, I've had crazy injuries from motorcycle accidents to being shot multiple times, and then the problems there with my stomach there. After being shot multiple times, stomach has been a mess. So the BPC, TB500, what else is in it? GHKCU, and of course, KPV. That blend right there, that one was a game changer for me. And Titan Medical has been taking care of me for years now. So I'd like to say I'm like one of the OGs of this company, and they have always had some of the best products and the best customer service, hands down. You come in here, they treat you like you're gold, and you're in and out. Now these new peptides that they have, the blends, are game changers all around. Now the best part about this is you don't have to be in the state of Florida. All you gotta do is be in the United States. They'll ship it to you, they're friendly, they're fast, and it's convenient. So guys, check them out. Again, TitanMedicalCenter.com.